Good morning, everyone, my students and my dear listener. Today, we still want to continue from where we stopped last week. We are looking at area of sector today, and it is expected at the end of this lesson, students should be able to recall and use formula to calculate the area of sector. So, students are also expected to solve problem involving sector of a circle. Now let's look at the area of a sector. Now, if we divide circle into equal sector with theta at center, this is what you are going to have. You will have area of a sector, which is theta over 360 of the area of the circle. So you divide both sides by area of the circle, then you have area of a sector over pi r square is equals to theta over 360. Now you make area of a sector the subject of the formula by multiplying both sides by pi r square. So when we multiply both sides by pi r square, then this is what we are going to have. Area of a sector over pi r square times pi r square is equals to theta over 360 times pi r square. So from the left hand side, pi r square will eliminate pi r square. So you'll be left with area of a sector, which is equals to theta over 360 times pi r square. So that is the formula for finding the area of a sector. Now let's quickly look at example 1. In the figure below, AOB is a sector of a circle with center 0 and radius 3.5 centimeter. If the reflex angle AOB is 290 degrees, calculate the area of the sector. So this is the diagram that we are going to use to solve the area of a sector. Now, the first thing we need to do is to write out the salient point. Radius is 3.5 centimeter. Theta is equals to 360 minus 290 degrees, and that will give us 70 degrees. Sometimes the angle may not be given since the reflex angle is given. So all you just need to do is to subtract 290 degrees from 360, and the remaining one will be the angle that we are going to use. Now, area of a circle, which is equal to theta over 360 times pi r square, now will be equals to 70 degree over 360 degree times 22 over 7 times 3.5 square. Now don't forget that 3.5 can be converted to 7 over 2, and so that will become 70 degree over 360 times 22 over 7 times 7 over 2 times 7 over 2. 2 in 22 you have 11. 7 we eliminate 7, and then we will be left with 7 times 11 times 7 over 36 times 2, which will give us 539 over 72. And finally, the answer will become 7.486 centimeters square. Therefore, the area of the sector is 7.486 centimeters square. Remember to put your unit square, so that will tell you that you know what you are doing. Because if you are looking for the area of a sector, it must have square as your unit. Now let's look at example 2. Example 2. Now, example 2 says, calculate the area of a sector of radius 7 centimeter. The angle of the sector being 108 degree if pi is 22 over 7. Now solution. Our radius is 7 centimeter, theta is 108 degree, pi is 22 over 7. Now, area of a sector, which is theta over 360 times pi r square. So when you substitute, it will become 108 degree over 360 times 22 over 7, then times 7 times 7, which invariably will become 8316 divided by 180, and that will give us 46.2 centimeter square. So with this example 1 and 2, I want to believe that you'll be able to solve area of any given sector at any point in time. Just make sure you keep practicing, and before you know it, you will discover that it is not difficult. So I'm giving you an assignment now, and the assignment is A sector of a circle of radius 7 centimeter has an area of 44 centimeters square. Calculate the angle of the sector correct to the nearest degree. Again, a sector of a circle of radius 7 centimeter has an area of 44 centimeters square. Calculate the angle of the sector correct to the nearest degree. So this is where we are going to stop today. I want to believe that you have really enjoyed this class, and if you have any comment, if you have any problem, any challenge, or something is not clear to you, please don't hesitate to write me, or better still, you can just leave a comment, and I want to assure you that your comment and your messages shall be treated accordingly. Once again, I still remain your mathematics teacher. So we'll meet tomorrow to finish the topic that we have started few days ago. Until then, I still remain your mathematics teacher. Bye bye.